Hello children, myself Priyanka Best and today I will teach you Mathematics Class 2 topic Story Sums on Measurements page 134. Children, let's do question 1 given on page number 134. Jaggu is weighing carrots. He uses weights of 500 grams and 50 grams. How much do the carrots weigh? Children, here Jaggu is a vegetable seller and he is selling carrots. Children, he is weighing carrots. For that, he is using weights of 500 grams and 50 grams. So children, here you have to find out the weight of carrots. So children, the weight of carrots is equal to the sum of both the weights. So children, here we add both the weights, that is 500 grams and 50 grams. So children, we write 500 grams plus 50 grams. Okay, so we start adding from right side. 0 plus 0 is 0, so we write 0 here. Next children, 0 plus 5 is 5, so we write 5 here. Now children, at hundreds place only 5 is there, so we write 5. So children, below the grams we write gram in the answer. So children, your answer is the carrots weighs 550 grams. Okay children, now let's do next question. Question number 2. There are 950 grams of apples on one side of a balance. The seller first puts 500 grams on the other side. How much more weight should he put to weigh the apples? Children, in this question you will see that this is a fruit seller and he is selling apples. You will see that he is having a balance and on one side of a balance there are some apples. Okay, the weight of these apples is 950 grams. Children, you will see that on other side of the balance there is a weight of 500 grams. But children, you will notice that the pan containing apples goes down. It means the weight of apples is more than this weight on the other side. It means the weight of apples, that is 950 gram, is more than 500 grams. So here we need to put some more weight, okay, to balance it. So children, here you have to find out how much more weight should he put to weigh the apples. Okay children, so for that we have to subtract 500 grams from 950 grams. So children, we write 950 grams minus 500 grams. So children, we start subtracting from right side. 0 minus 0 is 0. So we write 0 here. Then 5 minus 0 is 5. So we write 5 here. Then children, we subtract 5 from 9. That is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So we write 4 here. And below the grams we write gram in the answer children. So your answer will be he should put 450 grams more weight. Now children, next question, question number 3. Usha had 314 milliliters of milk in the morning and 227 milliliters of milk in the evening. How much milk did she have in all? Children, here in this question, Usha drinks 314 milliliters of milk in the morning, and in the evening she drinks 227 milliliter of milk. Okay, so you have to find out how much milk did she have in all. So for that we have to add. Okay, so children, here we add the amount of milk she had in the morning and the amount of milk she had in the evening. Okay, so we add 314 milliliters plus 227 milliliters. So we start adding from the right side. 4 plus 7 is 11. So we write 1 here and 1 is carry. Now at tens place 1 plus 2 is 3. Add 1 carry. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So children write 4 here. Now at hundreds place 3 plus 2 is 5. So write 5 here. And below the milliliter write milliliter. Now children, your answer will be she had 541 milliliters of milk in all. Now children, next question, question number 4. The juice from a bottle filled up a 352 milliliters glass and a 289 milliliters cup. How much juice did the bottle have? Children, here juice is poured from a bottle into a glass and a cup. Okay children, so here you have to find out how much juice did the bottle have. Children, here the capacity of this bottle is equal to the amount of juice present in the glass plus the amount of juice present in the cup. So children, for that we have to add 352 milliliters and 289 milliliters. So children, we write 352 milliliter plus 289 milliliters. So we start adding from the right side. So 2 plus 9 is 11. So children, write 1 here and 1 carry. Now at tens place 5 plus 8 is 13 plus 1 14. So write 4 here and 1 carry. Now at hundreds place 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So write 6 here. And below the milliliter write milliliter. So children, your answer will be the bottle had 641 milliliter juice. Children, now next question, question number 5. A fish tank has 8 liters of water. It should have 32 liters of water. How much more water should be put in? So children, here in this question, the capacity of this fish tank, which you can see on the screen, is 32 liters. Okay children, but now it has only 8 liters of water. So children, here you have to find out how much more water should be put in. So children, for this we have to subtract 8 liters from 32 liters. So children, we write 32 liters minus 8 liters. So we start subtracting from the right side. So at one's place 2 is there and we have to subtract 8 from 2. Children, we can't subtract 8 from 2, so we borrow one value from 3. So children, when we borrow one value from 3, 2 will become 12. Now we can subtract 8 from 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. So children, write 4 here. Now 2 is left at tens place. So write 2 here. and below the liters write liters in the answer. Now children, your answer will be 24 liters of water should be put in. Now children, next question, question number 6. The new bottles of Yummy have 900 milliliters juice. They now have 125 milliliters more than the old bottles. How much juice did the old bottles have? Children, here the capacity of new Yummy juice bottle is 900 milliliters. Means it can hold 900 milliliter juice. Okay children, and it is more than the old bottles. Means it is 125 milliliter more than the old bottles. So here you have to find out how much juice did the old bottles have. So here you have to find out the capacity of the old bottles. So children, for this we have to subtract 125 milliliters from 900 milliliters. So children, we write 900 milliliters minus 125 milliliters. So we start subtracting from the right side. Here children, you will see at one's place only 0 is there. So we borrow from tens place. But children, you will see that at tens place also 0 is there. So we borrow from the hundreds place. Okay. So when we borrow, children, one value, so 0 will become 10. Now we can subtract 5 from 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So we write 5 here. Then at tens place 9 is left. Okay, so 9 minus 2 is 7. So write 7 there. Now children, at hundreds place 8 is left. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So write 7 here. And below the milliliter, write milliliter in the answer. So children, your answer will be the old bottles had 775 milliliter juice. Now children, your homework is do all these questions in your notebook. Thank you.